Back to this Subway job again. Welcome to Subway. May I take your order? Welcome to Subway. May I take your order?
What would you like?
I don't
Sandwich and hamburger.
a foot long.
I mean hamburger.
And lettuce. We don't sell hamburgers. This is a sandwich shop. Would you like a foot long?
Yeah.
Gusto mo po mustard?
Yeah.
Ketchup?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise?
And also,
Toyo.
What toppings?
would you like some olives and lettuce?
Yeah.
Some beef?
Yes.
Yeah. Lettuce.
Okay, here you go, ma'am.
Okay.
That will be
Lettuce.
that will be
Tomato.
$1.20. No. Why fake us here's your change. Okay.
It's
We'll
bit
put a
different.
Mount Load of
Thank
mayonnaise.
you. Bye.
There you go. Have a
day.
great day.
Wait, did you pay?
Yes.
Okay. Kita tayo.
Oh yeah.
Wait a second.
I think mom and
Load
pop.
mo na. Hindi.
Sabi ko load kahapon.
This were the customers.
Wait.
Hi. Oh.
Hello.
Hello there. What would you like, ma'am?
One roll. I
want
yeah, and a
Only
burger
sandwich. We still sandwich.
One a bit long.
Gusto mo foot lang or hindi?
Food.
Okay. Gusto mo,
Look
ay!
how the main recipe. There you go.
Billiard na lang ako.
Wait. Where's the tip?
Tip now. Give us money.
Okay, now
Okay. Now, welcome back.
$40.
$40, nice! Would you like, olives?
Yeah.
Tomato?
Yeah. Subway
Ketchup?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise?
You.
No, okay. Mustard?
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Okay.
And tomato.
Okay.
Here you go. That will be $1.20.
No, 10 minutes.
Money. No, 120. Here you go. Here's your change. Goodbye. Wait, give us a tip, please. Okay.
We earned $80.
Done!
We're rich.
Wait.
Oh, okay.
How much revenue did Subway make?
I don't know.
$2 billion?
Oh, it's time for my break. Oh, bye. I'll see you. It's time for my break. I'm just gonna chill. Goodbye.
Line. Make a line. Welcome to Subway. May I take your order?
Then meat, potato.
Okay. Next.
Look at it. I'm taking a break.
Okay.
You're next.
Welcome to Subway. May I take your order?
Yeah.
What is it? What's the sandwich gonna be?
Cheese?
Cheese sandwich? You want a cheese sandwich?
I'm back for my break. Hello.
Yes.
What would you like, sir?
Okay, fine. You want more?
You
You want more?
Okay.
You want more?
Yes!
What the? You know what?
Would you like some olives?
Wait.
Yay! How about
It will
ketchup?
explode.
Yeah. Okay, mustard?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise?
Yes.
Would you like it to be spicy? Gusto mo
Ay,
spicy?
I did.
It's $10.
10. We are
Wait.
$90.
$1.50, please. Okay. Please give us a tip.
I think it's time for the special recipe.
Oh man, $20.
We got a special one. We have $110 now.
Nice.
This is the special recipe. Would you like our special recipe?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go Black Friday.
Yeah. Here. Here. And you ticket. My ticket. Hello, what would you like?
Would you
Oh,
like our
okay.
special
Would
recipe?
you like it? No, he doesn't want to. Would you like some cold water?
Yeah.
You're going for your sandwich and give us a tip and give us 100 to What would you like, ma'am?
Order.
Want a metal.
Metal and
What?
and
And a cup.
and
Coke, okay.
go. And we love the new customer.
Hello, welcome to Subway. What would you like, ma'am? I sir. Hi. And would you like again? Tomato,
Sir.
Coke.
I don't understand
Ayun
your grammar.
Okay.
Here you go.
That will be
$1
and 10 cents. Okay, 10 minutes. Wow, 1-800. Oh, here's your set. And
New customer.
Yeah, mighty.
New customer. Could you please order at Subway?
You have to order if you
Welcome to Subway.
order. What would you like again, ma'am?
Order.
Can I have some potato?
Yes.
Would you like
Would you like that? It's a sandwich shop.
Oh,
Would you like our special recipe?
sandwich
what?
on this.
Okay.
On the you want two
And only
sandwiches?
Coke.
Yeah. And what kind of drink?
You.
Have a great day. And I hope you save money and live better. Welcome to Subway.
Orange.
Take your order. And go.
Okay. So
Okay.
here you go. The social and your drink
Have a
and
great day.
that will be what?
And I hope you save
$2.20.
money and live
Okay.
better.
No, 200.
Money.
No, hey, where's your
Ay, may
change?
We got $100.
Your mom.
Monday.
Oh, it's time for the I buy.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, what would you like, ma'am? What would you like?
One pizza.
One piece. This is a sandwich. Subway. This is Subway.
I want the one sandwich and the one Coke.
That's daily said that the meat on Subway is 100% food.
And one
Rizzy, have you heard there's another sandwich shop taking over called Quiznos? Man, papoy to Subway, man. Take your order.
Free samples. Free samples. Free samples. Hey,
That's our special.
hey. That's our
Ay, yung ano gagawin mo? Kung
Steven.
tatanong ko na.
Yeah.
Sabi ko wala dyan sa ano.
Wait. I want this. We're ready recording.
Ang son.
Take one.
What would you like, ma'am?
Can I have a
One
cheese
cheese and
Yes.
one.
And also it's Black Friday. That means it costs
And one. Would you like a drink?
Here.
Okay, cool.
Cha-ching. You get all
Here you go,
good.
ma'am. Here you go.
Money.
That will be $1 and
More money.
Hey, that will be $1. Hey, someone robbed us! Ew, ew, alert, alert,
No.
alert! You're going to jail!
No.
Come here.
You, wag
You're
mo
going to jail.
yun.
I caught you.
Hindi ka magaling sa jet. Diyan nga, magaling pa.
You're going to jail!
Okay, we're
That's a game! And I'm in jail! Oh no, I'm so Oh no, I'm so sorry. I can't
Welcome
see
to Subway, man. Take your order.
Ikaw ba?
Okay,
One.
okay.
Ayan, thank you.
One.
Get out of our store!
You will never.
There you go. Have a great day.
Kasi di mo kaya.
But
Ay, kaya mo ko siya.
Rizzy! Rizzy!
Yeah, come in.
We got
Ay,
some
hindi mo
money!
Yay!
This is a lot of money.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're like, I'm so hungry. It's getting late.
Pizza.
Okay, we're closing. Bye, everyone.
Naman.
Get out. We're closing.
Okay. Okay. We'll be keeping this money.
How much money is that?
8,000.
What's this?
Nice. Wait, we're supposed to put it in the cash register.
Ah, you
Okay.
want this?
I think this
Ryan.
might be
Should si Ryan first
our
again.
exchange.
Wait, you said there was another sandwich store.
Okay, you
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
It was Quiznos.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Pasok mo sa Pepsi.
Hey, stop right there. We're Subway workers. And our enemy are Quiznos.
Yay.
Yay! You're at Quiznos.
You're stealing our customers.
Mali pa, tira ko.
Yes!
Tama issue.
Let's fight
Tama issue.
to the dust.
I'll fight
Let
somebody.
me get some.